She's buying food. Look at this one. It's like footlong in the Philippines. The famous sausage.
Einmal Cashspätzle.
May mangga sila.
Yeah, it's not a fresh mango. Show me the food. Show me the food.
Ah, hindi pala ito. Hindi ito yung gusto ko. Gusto ko. Gusto ko yung meat.
Traditional dress for women. And this one is the traditional pants for men. Cutie. Everyone, so another continuation of our vlog for today. We are going to the attraction. They have these attractions also same in Spain. We have that every April and November. So here in Germany, it's normal that you have the attractions.
May at saka September naman siya.
Okay, so during summertime. So let's see what's in there. So maybe there's a lot of food and rides. Let's try their attractions. But look at the view. The view.
Picturean ko ba? Magpin ka din kung mag-alala.
Look at them. That is their traditional costume, no, that? Here in Germany. So yeah, yan nakita niyo yung babae. May ganyan din si Mayan, yung kapatid ko. Combination niya. So there's a lot of people and a lot of shops.
Wala kang bayan.
Ah, libre. For free. So there's a lot of shop here. Different shops, actually. Let's go where? Come here, ta. Here. Less people. Yeah. But then here is like less people. Oh, this bug is cute. Ayan, maraming tao. Oo nga. Pasyal tayo. Kasi itong kapatid ko, ang daming issue sa katawan. Kasi maraming tao. Baka hindi pwede mag-video. Nag-video ako. There's a lot of people actually.
Ayan yun. Mga pala ko.
Yeah, this one is for the kids. Oh, sa Spain. Laging may ganito sa amin every year. Ay, wow! Look at this bread. One moment. It's very big. Pretzel. Look at the fish. So there's a lot of food, and that's German sausage, no? Yeah, but still that's sausage.
Ayan, ganyan yung gusto ni Robert.
Alin?
Ayan.
Ay, ta, dito. Let's get it.
Restaurant yan. Kailangan mo para sa... Kailangan mo...
Ay, hindi pwede
kumain
pumasok.
dyan.
Ay, okay. Natuwa ako eh. Tara dito natin sa labas.
Pero may dyan. Meron niya silang... Meron niya silang banda. Tapos may aakyat.
So, then the pretzel.
Meron niya silang aakyat. Yung parang palasebo sa atin.
Palasebo.
Ayun yung sweets. Pasok ko doon sa restaurant, kita mo yung mga banda. Pero laging puno.
din na mamahalan ako.
Gaan ka na?
Dahil ayaw naming sumakay kasi nagtitipid kami.
Mahal kasi tumaas siya.
Oo, pati yung mga food din. Pero kasi kumain din ako bago malis. Pero si Mayan bumili.
Parang ang sarap ng french fries.
Maghanap kami ng fruit shake kasi yun ang mas gusto
Bili ako
ko.
mali yung bili ko.
Tsaka nakakainis to kung maraming tao. Ayaw nyo mag-film kasi daw Kaya
Sa ako,
pasilip na lang namin. So that's all for today. See you again next time. Say bye to the vlog. Yeah.
bye-bye.